Okay, now you will tell me the review, or you'll give me the review of your movie. Turn on the mic, please. It's off. And now you're just going to give me the review. So try to be brief in 2 to 3 minutes. You can tell me
Two to
all the
three
thing and
minutes.
try to use present simple tense, or you can use past simple tense. It depends on you. Right, please.
Okay.
Title of the movie first and then details.
Okay. Uh, I think my favorite movie is Bell Bottom.
Okay.
This is recently released. The story of this movie is very good. And especially the hero is my favorite one. It's Bollywood movie, and the story of this movie is that it's about hijacking the planes, aeroplanes, and the opposite country plan to hijack the plan of India.
Okay.
So they planned very good, and they hijack it. This hijacking is very, according to this movie, the hijacking of plans is a very was very is very
Is that
common.
English movie?
No,
Pakistani, Indian?
Indian.
Indian movie. Okay,
Okay,
good.
so this is a very problem for them. Uh, their planes are hijacking again and
Their
again,
planes are being hijacked again and again.
being hijacked again and again. So there is an organization in India which called RAW. So they contact with them to solve the issue.
Okay.
So they send the team with the leading uh, a person which is the hero of this
Who is
movie.
the hero? The
Who is the
person
movie?
who is the hero.
Who is the hero of this movie? So they made a very good plan.
He makes a very good plan. Present
Makes
simple. He
makes a
makes.
very good plan. There are many ups and downs in this movie, but overall, I think I learned a lot from this movie. Also, there is a comedy scenes there,
There are comedy scenes as well. Okay.
so you don't get bored
All right. While
while
watching the
watching a movie.
movie.
You have also some funny and some tragic moments there.
Okay.
That's why I think it's
All
best movie.
right. That's good. So Bell Bottom is the title of the movie.
Okay, yes.
Right. Very good. Yes, Ali. Over to you.
My favorite movie is Fast and Furious.
Mhm.
Uh, it has 7 parts. That's why it's very famous movie, and people loved too much this movie.
People love this movie very
And
much.
people love this movie very much. Um, for personally, I like movie because it has a lot of actions and uh, very difficult actions they have in this movie. Uh, and I like movie of The Rock. The Rock is my favorite actor
Mhm.
because every movie of The Rock has many action scenes.
Okay.
Uh,
Rock only, not The Rock. The Rock is wrong. Rock is the name. So with name, we don't use article. Okay.
Rock and Vin Diesel.
Hmm.
The movie is about all actions and different things. I think they have a team of people do volunteers team, and the CIA of America
Okay.
came to them and give and gave them
Use present tense then.
and
Comes to them and
and
gives them. CIA
and
comes to them and gives them.
and gives them task
Okay.
to do to finish the mafia or that
All
whole
right. Underworld.
underworld.
Right.
Uh, then after that they prepared themselves.
They prepare themselves.
They prepare themselves and they do it for them country. It's very good movie. It's very action
So
and
did you watch it in the cinema or at home?
it's part 6, 7, 8. I watched it in cinema.
Good.
And 1, 2 I watched in home.
All right. This is good. Thank you. Yes, please. Everest, huh?
Yes.
Good.
Before 6 months, I saw the Everest.
I saw,
I saw
the Everest. Okay.
I saw the Everest. I am very impressed.
I was very
impressed. I was very impressed from this movie because I learned too many lessons
Okay.
from this movie. First is the team is climbing.
Yeah, a team tries to climb
Team
Mount
tries
Everest.
to climb Mount Everest. Mount Everest is not easy to
To summit.
to top
Summit means sar karna.
submit
SUMMIT, summit.
submit
Okay.
to submit the top of Everest, because there is too many
There
every
are-
day is very
every
bad
day-
weather
Yeah, every
and
day
storms.
there is the bad weather.
There
Every day there is the bad weather.
Every day there is the bad weather,
And it is often stormy.
and often
It is often
it is often storming. Uh, and we learn from this team sacrifice and determination,
Sacrifice,
and survival,
okay.
and एहसास करने को कहते हैं,
Yeah, feeling for others,
feeling for others, and help each other,
helping each other.
After this movie, I think why this team this is not a game, this is not fun, this is very difficult, and maybe we die.
We may die
We
while
may
doing
die.
it.
We
Yeah.
die.
Or we may kill ourselves.
I take one lesson from there.
I learned
from
one
this
lesson
team.
from
One
there.
lesson.
I learned one lesson.
One lesson. This is for nation. Because this team is from Australia. One person from America. They put their flag.
They put their country's
flag there
on top of the
top
mountain.
of the mountain. And this is for nation. We at this adventure, I submit the top Everest.
No, they summit the top.
For lesson for nation.
Okay, it's a great lesson.
Don't
of achievement for nation.
lose your determination, and sacrifice, and
Don't lose your determination and sacrifice.
And help each other. And
But you do actually, I've noticed one thing. You're just joining the words actually. You have to focus your proper sentence formation. Sacrifice your life, lose your determination, this, that. You need to make proper sentences with that, and your subject is missing. Okay, now after that,
this is the lesson
this is the lesson I learned
from this movie.
So try to focus your sentences. Most of your sentences don't have subject. Subject should be there, right?
Okay.
Let's go on, please.
I am talking about drama.
I'm going to talk about, a
About
drama.
drama.
I'm going to talk about.
Drama's name is Main Piya Hari.
Okay.
This topic, this drama has two friends. One friend, she is married. But
One friend is married.
Yes.
You said one friend is married.
One friend is married, but she don't have kids.
She doesn't have.
She doesn't have kids. So mother-in-law say to her.
Her mother-in-law says to her.
Her mother-in-law say to her, my son should second marriage.
Marry again.
Marry again.
Okay.
Because she mother-in-law
Wants the kids. Right.
Then she obey her.
She obeys her.
She obeys her.
Like, now who obeys? Son or mother-in-law or
Friend.
friend?
Wife.
Wife obeys that. Okay.
Yes. She obeyed her, and she thinking about her friend.
Okay.
She-
All right. She talks
she's
to her
best
friend.
friend.
All
She's
right.
best friend.
Her best friend.
Yes, she thinking why I give her with my husband. She is my friend, and she know me.
She knows me.
She knows me. Okay, she tell her friend.
She asks her friend to
She-
marry her husband.
Yes, but she's second friend. She say, why you do like this?
Why are you doing like this?
Why are you doing like this? She tell because you are my friend and you knows me. We live friendly.
We can adjust each other with each other, or we
with
can
each
live like
other.
friends.
Yes, but second friend is very greedy and cruel.
Okay.
Then she married.
When he gets married with
When
her,
she get married with her husband, then she is not. She say to friend, "You are not my friend. I am
okay,
your."
they start fighting.
Yes.
Women is the worst enemy of women, huh? Exactly.
Greedy
Yeah.
and enemy. I mean, she want to her. इसकी हैसियत गिरा रही है
Yeah, she wants to dominate the other one. The second wife tries to dominate the first one.
Yes.
Okay, so still the drama is going on? Or it's
Yes.
finished? It's still on air?
No,
Okay, it's ended. Right, thank you. Next one, please.
I want to explain the story of a drama, and the story name and the drama name is Benam. Basically, it was the story of two sisters, twin sisters, which are alone in the whole world. They have just father, and their mother was died.
Their mother passed away.
Their mother passed away. Their father was not sick because he was not feeling well, and they were because alone. So they live in a rent house.
They live in a rented house.
Rented house, and after a few months, their father passed away.
Their father also passed
Also
away.
passed away, and they were alone.
They were alone.
So their landlord was not good.
Okay.
Her eyes are on the first sister. So
Her or his? Landlord is male or female?
male.
Yeah, so his eyes.
His eyes
Or
are
she keeps an eye on one sister.
first sister.
Yeah.
So
Or you can say she looks at one sister with bad intentions.
yes, and when he comes to their house, he said that may I come in your house to the
Okay,
twin
to
sisters.
their rented house.
Yes, and after that they said no. So he kidnapped her.
Okay,
The twin
he kidnaps one
yes,
sister or
no,
both?
both
Both.
sisters, and went to their house, went to his house.
Okay, he takes them to his house.
His house.
All right. Yeah, I hope I understand what you're trying to say. And
And
then
he was not good in her.
his behavior was not
His
good.
behavior was not good with
All
them.
right. You see, I have
Um,
only watched one episode. Next, I will tell
yes.
you next time.
Yes.
Okay. All right. That's okay. Fine. Thank you very much. So, whenever you tell the story of a film, drama, novel, any book story, you have 2 to 3 options. Either you can tell the story in the past. If you tell that in the past, then use past simple tense, past continuous, and other past. And otherwise, you can tell the story in present tense also. In present tense, you will use first form of the verb. And there are so many things that happen in the movie. So it's a good idea to use he says, she comes, they decide, he, she, they. But you should be very clear. If you use he, what do you mean by he? Husband or his father or whatever. If you say she means friend or wife or mother-in-law or whatever. So you should be very, very clear. And it's a good idea because there are so many characters. So that is why it's a good idea to say mother-in-law says, and then that girl who is already married, she asks her friend, but her friend says. So use the word her friend. Don't use she. Then we don't know what are you saying. Right, whether you're trying to scare the cat, billi bhaga rahe hain shi karke, or you're just telling something, right? So clarity is very important. Whenever you speak with clarity, right? Okay, thank you.